Let's build a stylish GPU test station. Let's convert my old desktop into this. What is up, miners, and welcome to the 3 Fox Company YouTube channel, where we do rig builds, gear reviews and how-to crypto videos. I am Jacques, and in this video I'll be building a Thermaltake Core P3 chassis that will be my new GPU test station. Let's get into the video. The front panel of the Core P3 has a very simple yet functional layout. The chassis supports various form factors of motherboards. The kit includes all the different brackets and screws required to fit the motherboard, power supply, GPUs, etc. I started off by installing the 4 rubber feet, which is mainly used when the chassis is placed horizontally. In my case, it will actually protect the paintwork during assembly so it doesn't get scratched. The next step is mounting the foot stands. I recommend using a magnetic screwdriver as the holes are recessed and it could pose a challenge to get the screws lined up. With the foot stands installed, the chassis can now be used vertically. I now insert the standoffs in the correct positions that matches the mounting holes of my motherboard. The motherboard is now placed on top of the standoffs and secured with the supplied screws. I'm using the blue Corsair Vengeance RAM that matches the theme of the motherboard. Ensure that the RAM sticks are correctly aligned and install it by firmly pressing down until it snaps into place. I am using a Kingston SSD for the OS and secure it into the provided space. I really wanted to install an AIO cooler on this build. The Enermax 360mm RGB AIO will look great and will make this build aesthetically pleasing. I installed the pump mounting hardware and thoroughly cleaned the CPU before applying new thermal paste in a cross pattern. Before installing the pump, the protective film should be removed from the cold plate. Once the pump was installed, I mounted the RGB fans on top of the radiator and secured them with the provided screws. Included in the kit is the PCIe riser cable if you want to remotely mount the GPU like I did in this case. I am using a Thermaltake Tough Power Grand Series 1200 watt power supply, which is a modular unit. The power supply can be mounted horizontally or vertically with the provided brackets. After installation, the cables can be installed and routed through the grommets at the bottom of the chassis. To round off the build, I'm installing an Asus Strix GTX 1060 6GB gaming GPU that has RGB lights and triple fans. Once the build has been fully assembled, it is time to test it and see what it looks like. The kit does have a tempered glass window panel, which I left off for the test. The P3 is an amazing chassis that just looks awesome, and it will be a great test bench for GPUs as it will be easy to install and remove the GPUs. Please let me know in the comments below what you are using as a GPU test station and if the Core P3 is something that you are considering. Also, if you found this video useful, please smash that like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.